He also happens to be the honorary member of Rotary Club of Madras. So it was a pleasure talking to him, and it's a real honor, and pray to God at the Almighty to give you lots of good health in the years to come. We've always been inspired by the kind of work ethic that you have. You've inspired a lot of Rotarians in this club to rededicate ourselves to this excellent axiom that you live by, which is work is worship. A warm welcome to the friends in media, both print as well as electronic, who always give ability across various projects, being community service or vocational service.
Dr. Jaishree Gajaraj. Excellence is a result of caring more than others think is wise, risking more than others think is safe, dreaming more than others think is practical, and in transforming a maiden into an enduring mother. With a very calm and composed disposition, mature and meticulous approach, Dr. Jaishree is a blessing for the expectants and their families. One of the very few in this part of the world to lead a healthy life. She's as steeped into academics as she is into medical practice. She's a mentor for many in the profession and a guiding force for many youngsters dreaming to enter into her field of specialty. She believes in teamwork and is instrumental in bringing strongly rooted in her principles, but unconditional, willing to go that extra mile to lend a helping hand. Besides being passionate about her profession, she's a master in culinary arts too. Dr. Jaishree juggles all her roles with the same grace and smile. Inspired by her leadership qualities and humbled by her self-effacing bearing, and is proud to present the Dr. Thiruvengadam Award 2016 to this skilled medical practitioner, Dr. Jaishree Gajaraj. Presented this day, the 5th of October 2016, Rotarian K. Ananth, President, Executive Director, Kauvery Hospital, Rotarian Dr. Aravindan Selvaraj.
My grateful thanks to Professor Kauvery Thiruvengadam, Rotary Club of Madras East, Kauvery Hospital, and many friends and family who are here. My father was Professor Jaishree Gajaraj of Rotary Club of Madras, and my mother at the age of 87 was still an active Rotarian till last year. She gave in her resignation this year. When Professor first spoke to me and I got the phone call from Natarajan, I should say I was thrilled, excited. There are many emotions that came to my mind. I felt honored, privileged. I think you can exhaust all the synonyms that are there in the dictionary. But at the same time, when I read the name of the award in detail, it said, for health care, how to be humble. A man of great achievements like him, we always stood before him very, very humbled, because his knowledge was so vast, but he never at any point tried to tell us that I know a lot. And that's something many of our classmates.
Solomon and last year Dr. Taniyachalam, they were all awarded. And again, Dr. Jaishree Gajaraj, I'm sorry, I just came back from Tirumala. Dr. Jaishree Gajaraj, coming from an illustrious background of daughter of Professor Gajaraj. Thank you.
Rotary channelizes help in a proper way. There are people who run charitable institutions. There are people who do charity, but one is not sure whether that is really being utilized properly. I must compliment the Rotary movement, and this club particularly, for the well-organized manner in which they are conducting the work. To come to, I wish I say, heroine of the day, Dr.
Indian administration services for a long period from 1950s.
Rotary President of Madras East, Mr. Ananth, the distinguished awardee at today's function, Dr. Jaishree Gajaraj. In the highest esteem and consider him as my mentor and one of the persons whom I have the greatest regard and respect for, Dr. Thiruvengadam Award. Dr. Aravindan of Kauvery Hospital, my good friend Mr. Sudarshan, distinguished Rotarians, distinguished invitees, members of the Fourth Estate, ladies and gentlemen. It was just a jogging of one's memory going